Students, today I am going to explain you exercise 2b. So our first number question is there. Pramod deposited rupees 600 per month. So principal it's given 600 rupees in the requiring deposited for 4 years. 4 years it's given, so you have to write 4 into 12, you will get 48 months. Then rate what it is given 8%, so you have to write here 8%. Then what you have to calculate? You have to calculate maturity value. You have to apply the formula I equals to P into N, bracket under N plus 1 into R, by 2 into 12 by 100. So what you have to put? You have to put the values. After putting the values, interest equals to, you are getting 4,704 rupees. Then what is the maturity value? Maturity value formula is there, P into N plus I. So you have to put the values of principal, time and interest. Then at last you are getting 33,504 rupees answer. Now second number question it's given there. Rita has a requiring deposited account in a bank and deposit rupees 80 per month. So 80 rupees is a principal and time it's given 18 months. So don't change in any form. So because already it's given 18 month. Find the rate of the interest. So you have to find the rate of the interest. Then the bank, if the maturity value already it's given 1,554. After that, what you have to do? You have to write principal as a 80 rupees and time as a 18 month and maturity value 1,554. Apply formula. After applying the formula, you are getting I equals to 57R by 5. Then maturity value formula you have to put, and after that you have to put the values. After putting the values, you have to, you are getting 1,554 this side and 1,440 as a principal into time. You are getting 1,440 and rate you have to write here. Then after that, what you have to do? You have to take the LCM. After taking the LCM, you are getting here 7,200 and plus 57R by 5. Then after that, what you have to do? You have to multiply with 5. Then after that, you are getting 7,770. Subtract with 7,700, you are getting 5,570. 570 divided by 57, you are getting rate equals to 10% answer. Now third number question is, it's given there. The maturity value of RD means requiring deposited account, is rupees 16,176. If the monthly installment is rupees 400, means what is the monthly it's given installment? It's given 400. And the rate of the interest is 8%, means rate it's given 8%. What you have to find? You have to find time. So P it's given rupees 400, rate it's given 8% and maturity value it's given 16,176. Now apply formula. After applying the formula, you are getting I equals to 4n square plus 4n by 3. Take as equation number 1. Then after that, you have to put this I value, interest value, in maturity value. Then maturity value, already the formula it's given, you have to put the values. After putting the values, you are getting here 16,176 equals to 400n plus 4n square plus 4n by 3. Then after that, what you have to do? You have to put the values. After putting the values, this 3 you have to multiply with the 16,176. You are getting this answer. Then after that, what you have to do? You have to just you have to factorize it. Then you are getting n square plus 301 and minus 12,132 you are getting. Then after that, factorize it. You will get here 337 and minus 36. After that, you have to take the n as a common. Then you are getting n plus 337 and here you are getting 36 common. You are getting here n plus 337. After that, you will get n equals to 36 and n equals to minus 337 answer. 4 number question is given there. Mr. Bajaj needs 30,000 rupees. 30,000 rupees after 2 years. What list money is multiple with the rupees 5 must be deposited every month of requiring deposited account to get the required money of the the end of the 2 years. Rate of the interest is being with 8%. So what it's given there? It is given maturity value. Maturity value, its total it's given 30,000 rupees. So you have to write here 30,000 rupees. Principal it's not given, so write here P as it is. And time it's given 2 years means 24 months. You have to write here 24 months. Then after that, what you are getting here? Here you are getting 24 and here you are getting 25. So write here, and after that, what you have to do? You have to calculate it. You are getting 30,000 equals to 24P plus 2P. Okay, then after that what you have to do, you have to put the value, you have to send the values here. You have to divide 30,000 with 26, you are getting here P equals to 1153.8 P means rupees answer. So next 5 number question, it's given Rishabh has a recurring deposit account in the post office for 3 years and 8% it's given. So time it's given 3 years means 3 into 12 you are getting 36 months. Rate it's given 8%. Simple interest is given if he get a 9,990 is the interest, and of the time of the maturity find the monthly installment and amount of the maturity, means you have to find the monthly installment. So monthly installment you have to find, you have to write here the formula, then after that you have to put the values. After putting the values you are getting P principal, it's not given, so you are getting 111 P by 25. Then 25 multiply this one, you are getting this answer. Then after that dividing, you are getting P equals to 2250 answer you are getting. Now you have to put the maturity value. First you are getting the monthly installment, then after that you have to put the values in a maturity value, then you will get the amount of maturity. Then after putting the values you are getting here 90,990 rupees answer. Now 6 number question. 6 number question is given Gopal has a cumulative deposit account and deposit rupees 900 per month for the period of 4 years. If he get rupees 52,020 at the time of the maturity, find the rate. Means what you have to find? You have to find the rate. Then next it's given principal, it's given 900, time it's given 4 years, so 12 multiply 4, you are getting 48 months. Maturity value already given. Apply this formula. After applying the formula and after reducing, what you are getting at the last, you are getting I equals to 882 R. Then after that you have to put the values, maturity value already given, principal already given, time already given. Calculate it, and after that what you are getting? You are getting 900 multiply 48, you are getting 43,200 rupees. Subtract it with the 52,020 rupees, you are getting 8,820 rupees. Divide with 800 to 82, you are getting R equals to 10% as the answer. Now next 8 number question. Mr. Brito deposited a certain sum of the money each month in the requiring deposited of the account if the rate of the interest is 8%. P principal it's not given, so P take as X, and rate it's given 8%, so take as 8%. Then Mr. Brito gets 8,880 rupees, 8,088 rupees as a maturity values it's given right there. Then after that what you have to find? You have to find the value of monthly installment. So P equals to X, you write it, and R equals to 8%, right, and N equals to 3 into 12, you are getting 36 month. After that what you are getting here, it's written there 36 months. Then apply this formula. Interest you are getting 111 X by 25. Then what you have to write? You have to write total money deposited by the Mr. Brito is rupees X. Why we are writing here X? Because principal into time it's given 36x, you are getting the amount of the maturity. 8,088 it's given already there, so put the values. After putting the values, you are getting 1011 by 25x, and here it is given there. Just do reciprocal. After doing the reciprocal, divide it, you will get x equals to 200 answer. Now 9 number question is given. Saruk opened a recurring deposited account at a bank and deposited rupees 800. Rupees 800 it's given as a principal per month for 1.5 years. 1.5 it will be total 18 months. Then if he receive 15,084 rupees, then it's given a maturity value. Maturity value it's given, so you have to write here as a maturity value. Then what you have to find? You have to find rate. So write here rate equals to. Then apply formula. After applying the formula, you have to put the values. After putting the values and reducing, you are getting I equals to 114 R. Then this I interest you have to put here in the maturity value, formula. Then after that you are getting R equals to 6% as a interest. Then question number 10. Question number 10 it's given there. Katrina opened a recurring deposited account with a nationalized bank for a period of 2 years, means 2 years it's given, so multiply 12 multiply 2, you are getting 24 months. If the bank pay the interest of the rate 6%, then what is the rate it's given? 6%, so right here 6%. Then what is the monthly installment he was getting? It's getting 1000 rupees, so here write 1000. Then what you have to find? First you have to find the interest earned in the 2 years, then second you have to find the maturity value. Apply the same formula. After applying the formula and reducing, you are getting interest equals to 1500, and maturity value you have to put the value of interest, principal and time. You are getting maturity value 25,500. Answer. Now 11 number question. 11 number question is given. Mohan has a recurring deposited account in a bank for 2 years and 6% as a rate it's given for simple interest. If he gets 1200 rupees as a interest and at a time of maturity, then find the first monthly installment you have to find, and second you have to find amount of maturity. Then apply the same formula. After applying the formula and reducing, you will get P equals to 800. Here principal it's not given there, so you will get P equals to 800. Then after that what you have to do? You have to put in the maturity value. After maturity value, after that you have to calculate this one. You will get 20,400. Answer.